Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reputable VPN provider with a clear no-logs policy. This protects search metadata. Once chosen, install the app on your device and sign in. Enable 2FA if available. Next, set the protocol to a secure option like OpenVPN or WireGuard for balanced speed and privacy. Connect to a nearby server for better performance, or select a specific country if you need local search results to appear from that region. Once connected, make sure to enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so your real IP never leaks if the VPN drops. Then clear existing browser history and cookies. Open a clean private window or separate browser profile dedicated to VPN sessions. Use HTTPS search and consider privacy-focused search engines to limit tracking. Also, avoid logins to accounts tied to your identity when you want anonymity. If you must log in, understand that that account still links activity to you. To finish, verify your IP address and DNS resolution while the VPN is active to confirm searches route through the VPN. Once done, maintain the VPN on for all browsing sessions you want hidden and make it a habit to use private mode. If you notice slow speeds, switch servers, or change protocols, make sure your router or ISP isn't throttling VPN traffic. If you detect leaks, toggle the kill switch, reinstall the app, or contact support. These steps resolve most connectivity or privacy issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.